Hurricane Milton was devastating. Homes were destroyed. Lives were uprooted. We need to rebuild. We need to rebuild stronger. We need to rebuild smarter.
This means building eco-friendly homes that can withstand future storms. This isn't just about being environmentally conscious. It's about resilience. It's about protecting your investment. It's about creating a healthier future for your family.
We need to learn from the past. Traditional building practices often fall short. They aren't sustainable. They don't stand up to extreme weather.
This guide will walk you through rebuilding sustainably. We'll explore the benefits. We'll discuss materials. We'll provide resources to help you rebuild stronger and smarter. Traditional building materials have a heavy environmental footprint. Think concrete, steel, and conventional lumber. Their production is energy intensive. They generate significant waste. Sustainable building practices offer a better way. They prioritize durability using materials that can withstand extreme weather. They emphasize energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption and lowering bills. They focus on resource conservation, minimizing waste and using renewable materials. Sustainable building is an investment in the future. It's about creating homes that are stronger, able to withstand future storms and natural disasters, healthier, free from harmful chemicals and toxins often found in traditional materials, more affordable with energy-efficient design, reducing utility costs over time. Before you start rebuilding, you need to assess the damage, document everything thoroughly, take pictures, keep records.
Contact your insurance company immediately. File a claim. Keep detailed notes of all conversations. Reach out to local and national disaster relief organizations. They can provide temporary housing, financial assistance, and construction guidance.
Remember, you're not alone. Help is available. Don't hesitate to ask for it.
Natural building materials offer numerous benefits. They are renewable, coming from sources that can replenish themselves naturally. They are durable, able to withstand extreme weather conditions. They are energy efficient, providing excellent insulation and reducing heating and cooling costs. And they are healthy, free of harmful chemicals and toxins. Here are some examples. Bamboo, which is stronger than steel in tensile strength and grows rapidly. Straw bale, which offers excellent insulation and is fire resistant when plastered correctly. Rammed earth, which is durable, fireproof and naturally regulates indoor temperatures. And timber, which when locally sourced reduces transportation costs and environmental impact.
These materials have been used for centuries. They're time-tested and proven. They blend strength and sustainability. Sourcing locally, tapping into regional resources. Using locally sourced materials reduces transportation costs. It minimizes environmental impact. It supports the local economy.
Connect with local suppliers of reclaimed lumber, salvaged wood from demolished buildings, bamboo grown and harvested locally, and straw, a byproduct of agriculture that's often readily available.
Check with local building departments. They often have lists of suppliers and resources. Designing for resilience. Key considerations for sustainable homes. When designing your new home, prioritize resilience.
Elevated foundations protect against flooding. Hurricane straps secure the roof to the walls, and impact-resistant windows withstand high winds and flying debris.
Solar panels provide backup power during outages, and rainwater harvesting systems collect and store rainwater for irrigation and other uses.
These features will make your home safer and more sustainable.
Funding your sustainable rebuild. Exploring available options. Rebuilding can be expensive. Let's explore some funding options you might consider. Insurance claims. Maximize your claim to cover sustainable building practices. Government grants. Federal and state programs offer grants for disaster relief and sustainable building. Nonprofit organizations. Organizations like Habitat for Humanity provide assistance with rebuilding. Community Development Financial Institutions, CDFIs. They offer loans and financial assistance for community development projects, including sustainable rebuilding. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are resources available to make your sustainable rebuild more affordable.
Case studies, inspiring examples of eco-friendly rebuilding. Many communities have successfully rebuilt sustainably after disasters. Post-Hurricane Katrina, New Orleans, the Make It Right Foundation, founded by Brad Pitt, built 150 energy-efficient, LEED Platinum-certified homes in the lower 9th Ward. Post-earthquake Nepal. The organization Architecture for Humanity helped communities rebuild using locally sourced materials and traditional building techniques. These case studies demonstrate that sustainable rebuilding is not only possible, but highly effective. Rebuilding for a brighter future. A call to action. Rebuilding after a hurricane is a chance to start fresh. It's an opportunity to create a home that is safe, able to withstand future storms, sustainable, environmentally friendly and resource efficient, healthy, good for your family and the planet. Choose to rebuild sustainably. Choose a brighter future for yourself and generations to come.
Resources and support. Your partners in sustainable rebuilding. You don't have to do this alone. Many resources are available to help. Your local building department can provide guidance on building codes and sustainable building practices. The U.S. Department of Energy offers resources and information on energy-efficient building techniques. The U.S. Green Building Council promotes sustainable building practices through its LEED certification program. This is your chance to rebuild stronger and smarter. Let's get started. Let's